Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see if you are looking Canva premium subscription for monthly, yearly or lifetime. So this video might be interesting for you. In this video, we will see you can get the Canva subscription for lifetime just only less than $10. Which platform are providing, how to get and how to activate. We will see step-by-step process. So now let's start on my Mac screen. So now start the demonstration. First of all, you need to create always your Canva account. This is my Canva account. Here the email address and name, and my Canva account is not a pro. We need to purchase here the prices are available. So how to get this one? It's very easy. Come to the Google, type here premium in cheap. This is the platform. Using this platform you can get very affordable prices, different software subscription as well. Today we target Canva Pro. This is the platform of premium in cheap. Even the premium in cheap have own community for WhatsApp and Telegram. You should join this community and receive much more offer day to day, and accordingly you should purchase or you should get this subscription very affordable prices. I just simply click here in the Canva. Look at this here. If you get this Canva one, personal Canva Pro yearly educational subscription, 49 to 499 INR. How many features you are receiving? Look at this. Add free access with the all premium features, unlimited download and AI tools, prepaid account, 1 month free replacement warranty, work on TV, Mac, Windows and mobile as well. Globally without any restriction, you can access any other places. This subscription company based on India. I am living here in Denmark. Still I am able to access these features. 100% safe and original account. Get this subscription on existing email address. Enter only your email during the checkout. No OTP or password required. So look at this here. Yearly subscription is 299 INR, less than $5 to $6. And here the lifetime subscription is a 499 INR, less than $10. So this one is at unbeatable discount. Yearly subscription is 120 euro, but you can get here just only $10. Rest of information is available here. Go through one by one. Now question come how to buy. I just simply click here buy now. This is my final price 499 INR. So basic point of view, you need to provide here your name. So I add here my name, Research Rocks, then region your India. Simply type here your address. You need to add here your email address as well and mobile number, and afterwards place the order. If I place the order directly going to this WhatsApp number. Because of the organization always deal entire payment and subscription communication WhatsApp number, and the WhatsApp is automatically going here. And if I say send this one, what exactly this one, we create one invoice and send it to them. Afterwards the owner can check your invoice and replying you. Let's see how much time we need to spend here to receive the reply. So look at this here. Within 2-3 minutes we are receiving the reply very promptly. Here, receive the order. Can I have your email address? So that condition you need to provide him your email address, which email address your account is already you created. So I just simply sent it to them, email address and order. Now you need to provide the payment, Paytm, Phone Pay, RuPay, UPI. I just simply use here my Phone Pay and complete this payment, scanning this QR code. Afterwards I just simply reply him done, and let's see. Afterwards received, payment received, and afterwards let's see what we receive here. We have sent invitation to your email address to join. So I just simply open here my email address, refresh here, and yes, I'm receiving here. This is the invitation, a class, as a class perspective. This is the invitation, join the class. I just simply join the class, and look at this here, welcome to the so and so professor. Look at this here, my account is now activated. Really receive the premium or pro version or not? Look at this here, the all are chargeable thumbnail. If I select here this work, you no need to send your teacher. You can access entire work and design and development yourself. No need to send anyone up to complete your thumbnail. You just simply go here and very easily download without any restriction. It means this Canva is activated for lifetime. Using this process just only 499 INR. Design is downloaded. If I open here, so look at this, the graphic and features, it's really impressive. Using this process you can very easily active your Canva account lifetime, just only $10. If you have any question related on this video, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.